the girl flawless or not? That's the important part. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Mallory, and in today's video we will be reviewing the new Meredith Duxbury. I hope I'm saying that right, y'all. Meredith Duxbury collection. I did pick up the entire collection except the lip. It's like a lip kit. It had a pencil and a lip gloss, but it looked the exact same shade as me, so that's just not, it's not brown skin friendly, so I did not pick that up. But everything else, we got it. Within the collection, there is this foamy face primer. I did use it today. I'll insert a clip up here so you believe me, I did use it. But so far it's looking okay. Like the skin is looking flawless, so far so good. Because we have two palettes here, we're gonna be reviewing this one today because I'm short on time, but we'll be reviewing the Big Mama next. Because look at this eyeshadow look. We've got to give this its own video. So yeah, if that's okay with you, come back for this one if this is the one that you're interested in. Otherwise, let's get right into the review with this small baby. So this is the Power Multi Effects palette. So far the packaging is very cute. So this is the color story and everything. Inside they have a little message for us. I love that. I love when we get messages. The message says, "You guys, I'm so excited for you to capture my signature look. You already know how much I love gloss and glam." Girl, do we? Same. Same. And this collection is literally dripping in it. I was inspired by the idea of lounging by an NYC rooftop pool in full face glam for a flawless look with an unexpected wet effect finish. I know you'll love it as much as I do with her little signature at the end. I probably should look into what this girl be doing because first of all, full glam, that's me all day. I love a full glam. I have seen her videos on TikTok, which is pretty much all I know about Meredith Duxbury. It's pretty much all I know about her is from her TikToks where she would use it almost like a full bottle of makeup, but her look would come out flawless. And I was just like, well, I don't know if I could do that, but she knows what she's doing, so moving on. People be in the comments like, oh my god, you use so much makeup. Girl, is the girl flawless or not? That's the important part, the finished look. So if you're interested in swatches, you already know where to go. In the shorts, they are there. And y'all, whenever I swatched these highlighters at the bottom, I was shooketh. Let's get into the review. So we're actually in like a full face of Morphe. I have on the Morphe translucent powder. I use the bronzer. Everything's Morphe today, and we're using Morphe brushes. So this is from the Morphe X Night In collection, and we are going to start in this shade right here, top tier, and we are going to build in the crease. Oh, and I also used the Morphe eyeshadow base. I haven't seen it in the store though. I wonder if they still make it or not, because I'm still using the bottle from a long time ago. Is it expired? Who knows? So this shade, I was expecting nothing more than what it's giving me, which is a good transition shade. So far so good. Not having any complaints yet. So I'm not sure if it's just the face primer that we use from this collection, or there's another product that I'm using, but I don't want to talk about it in this because it's a different brand. But the makeup is looking flawless today, so I'm gonna keep you posted. Next, I want to go into this shade right here, City Girl. Let me find out maybe this is a City Girl. We're gonna go into City Girl, and this is a Morphe X Night In FF6 brush that we're using. Just gonna take it here and build on the crease. Oh, I saw some furry stuff outside my window. I was like, it's a squirrel. I don't know why it matters that it's outside, but it freaked me out. I'm like, what's that? That shade is actually a little bit darker than I think I was ready for, but the pigment is still, it's still looking nice. I'm not mad at the deepness of it. It was just a little bit unexpected, but it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna repeat the same on the other side. Bring City Girl in the outer V here. I'm really excited about what's in store for this bigger palette, the colorful one, because I feel like there must be pigment in there too. Normally it seems like the collab palettes with a makeup artist, they normally come out looking really good. Those are like the better ones I've noticed. At least I think that's what happens. because Ashley Strong and the Morphe Nyan, and which one was it, the Pony, those were all, if my memory serves me correct, those are all great Morphe palettes. So now to deepen up that area even more, I want to use this Oh Baby shade. I think for black, we're just gonna have to use this as like a liner or something, because I don't want to go too dark. I think that's about as dark as we can handle for the day. I'm gonna bring that more forward. And we're getting such, y'all, this blend, it's top tier. It's giving new go-to palette. It's definitely giving, I did not waste my money today. I'm here for it because the blend on this is so seamless and gorgeous. Ugh, thank you, Meredith. I'm loving this. This is a look just right here, and we're not even done. Hello. We're gonna use this shade right here, Please Me, as, ooh, or do we, so many options, because these shades right here, like this one, the marble one, oh my gosh, it's swatched so good, but I'm not sure if I want to use it as a highlighter. Let me see. Okay, so I just have to swatch it again to be reminded, and yeah, we're definitely not using one of those as our lip color. So we're gonna go into this shade right here, Please Me. I just don't feel like they're strong enough to stand alone by themselves, but we can definitely top this shade with one of those. So we're going into Please Me. Gonna repeat the same on the other side. Come through, Morphe, come through. Now I am seeing a little bit of patchiness right here and right here with this light shade. It's not my favorite thing to see. It's not my favorite, but no one's perfect, you know? Should we give him a pass today? I think we should. I think we should give him a small pass because, you know, everything else has been so great. I'm going to go back in and try to pack it in some more and see if we can help it. Okay, so no, can't be helped. It's just doomed. That shade is just meant to be patchy apparently, and it doesn't make my heart smile, but I'm also okay with it because we were going to top it anyway. Remember? We were going to top it with one of these. So we're going to use this shade right here, Rose, which it actually does. It definitely, every time I see a shade like this, I think of like rose or champagne. Like, that's perfect name. Perfect name choice. Now I'm going to use my finger whenever I put this one on. And you see how, now I don't, it's a patchy glitter, but it looks good. That's why I was like, yeah, no, we're not using this by itself. But yeah, that on top of it, it's fine. That looks fine, y'all. That's cute. That's cute. Yo, that's pretty cute. Yo, you can't deny it. That's pretty cute. So before we add liner and lashes and everything, I do want to use this pink shade as our blush today. So this is PDA right here. What's the name of it? It's PDA. We use this as our blush, and it's definitely shiny. Now I see what she's saying about like the whole dripping lip, the full glam look that looks a little bit wet, because not that many people are still doing highlighters anymore. People are like getting away from full glam. Not me, hun. I'm staying. I'm a glam girl. I'm staying. So we're gonna use this right here, the marble looking shade. We're gonna use this one as our highlighter. Whenever I swatch this one, it is kind of like the shade Rosé. It's more of a like a loose glitter type of thing, so I feel like it's not something that you would use by itself, but as like a highlighter, definitely. Not that we need more, because that PDA shade is very much giving sparkle and shine. It's giving glazed donut. So I'm gonna finish it off with the Morphe Continuing Prep and Set Mist. I do believe that this collection came out with their own setting spray too. I did not pick that up too, just got this one. So okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add my liner lashes, show you guys the final look, and give you guys my final thoughts. So I did take the black shade Caviar. Hold on, there's something in my okay, so I did take the black shade Caviar, and I used this small e.l.f. angled brush, and I dried it underneath, and y'all, it glued on so like so smooth. This whole palette is just, yes, Meredith, we love it. We is me, and I love it. You have my, oh my god, it's still there. What is, where are you? As you can see, I did add some gem stickers. I bought this from the store Miss A. If you're not familiar with Miss A, girl, $1 for everything. $1, and it has like little pearls and little stones, so we're probably gonna see more gems here soon, because I did buy a bunch of them. I bought a ton. I did buy a bunch of them. I bought a ton because I was like, yes girl, self-adhesive, I don't have to find no glue, perfect. So yes, if you're asking, I already got it dirty. If you're asking me, yes, you need this palette. This is the Power Multi Effects palette. You need it. You got a blush, you got highlighters, you got neutral shades. It's the best thing we never knew we needed. We never knew we needed it, and here we are with it, and I just feel great. So yes, this is actually gonna be my look for the day. What do y'all think about wearing sweaters in the summer? Because I feel like I spend a lot of my time inside, and it'd be cold inside now. So I'll be wearing my sweaters. I know people are like, oh, why is everybody wearing long sleeves? Because it's cold inside. It's hot outside, yes, but when we go inside, which is where I spend my time, it'd be cold. So if you guys are not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and make sure you have your bell notifications on, so whenever the next Meredith Duxbury palette comes out, the review, you guys won't miss it, because this one is, let me give you a sneak peek. This one is colorful, so you know we're gonna give it the time that it deserves. I need to do this on an off day though, so I can make sure we're gonna get some looks in, okay? We might even just copy this one, because that's cute. Girl, she did the damn thing, did she not? Cute. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this look, and you guys will see my face in the next one.